Accompany us to the Rework refurbishing station, where flexibility towards components unfolds. This process proves invaluable to repair incorrect assemblies or address defective components that could potentially lead to assembly errors and failures. The circuit board is then positioned in the Rework station. To unsolder a component, flux agent is applied to the soldering points, and then the things get hot around the components. As soon as the solder has liquefied, the component is sucked in via the suction cup and can be removed from the circuit board. The liquefied solder is now finally removed using a suction drain. Rework refurbishing ensures the removal of individual or multiple components. This further demonstrates our commitment to precision and continuous improvement of product quality. Tip 1. Service you can rely on.